I told you guys, this is getting personal. Like, we are in each other's space. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Nikki. I'm a homeschooling mom to an only child going into 4th grade. Today I have a fun video for you, which is a collaboration with a bunch of other mamas, but this is hosted by Ashley, one of my dearest friends over at Gathered and Grounded. If you are new here, me and Ashley also have a podcast called Two Homeschool Moms. The 2nd season will be airing in July, but we have 22 episodes. Go check that out. Go check out her channel, Gathered and Grounded, and there will also be a link down below with all the other mamas who are going to talk to you about their top 5 YouTube channels that they love and watch. Show you channels that have inspired us in some way, shape, or form, helped us, educated us, and that we love. And so I'm going to share with you 5 of my top YouTube channels that I love to watch personally, and let's just get to it. So like I said, make sure you go head over to Ashley's channel, Gathered and Grounded, and check out our podcast, Two Homeschool Moms. But she is hosting this collab today, and I love it. I love this collab. I think this is like a way to kind of get personal, right? Like, you're officially going to be seeing what I watch as a person, like not just as a homeschool mom. I'm not just going to have homeschool channels listed here. These are channels that when I'm laying in bed at night and I just want to relax, like, these are the people that I tune into to achieve that. So let's just get started. Number 1, I love the holistic psychologist. I know she has just blossomed, not even boomed, but like blossomed over on Instagram. But she also has a YouTube channel, and I absolutely love it. I am pretty vulnerable here on my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I keep things real and raw over here, and I'm not afraid to talk about all the subjects. And so if you know the holistic psychologist, she talks all things trauma, all things just like mental health in general. And I know that term is getting thrown around really loosely these days, but I think we're just all coming to an awareness that we didn't necessarily have in our childhood. So I love watching her. My husband is a recovered alcoholic. He is 4.5 years sober. And if you don't know, not only is it hard for them, but it's definitely hard for the loved ones. And so I've had to go through my own healing process and kind of dig into my own childhood and what led me to this point. And it's a lot of healing, and I love it. And I am a much better person because of it. And her like channels on Instagram and on YouTube have ultimately helped me as a person, because everyone has healing to do. Everyone has something in their past or present or whatever that they're dealing with, and I find her things just so educational and informative and really helpful to me. So go check it out. Also, all of the channels that I'm going to discuss today will be in the description box if you want to check them out. So just on the wavelength of personal help, so I'm listing 5, but it's more like 5 categories. But other people that I follow in the same general category, not necessarily on YouTube, but is Dr. Becky. She wrote The Good Inside, and OMG, if you have not read that book or listened to it on audio, she's amazing. She gives parental parenting advice for children, and the amount of things that she has said has resonated so deeply within me that I highly recommend go checking her out. There's also a YouTube channel that I follow in this realm of things for ADHD. So that has been super helpful to me as well, but I believe it's called how to do ADHD. And I will again have this link down below. But super informative, as I was recently diagnosed with ADHD and my daughter as well. So that's been a really helpful journey to be able to navigate watching this YouTube channel. All right, let's go into my like, I don't even know what they're called. They're like those the DIY find you know, I don't even know, how do I word this? It's like a DIY type of channel, and she is called Do It on a Dime. I love her channel. She started out mainly with like Dollar Tree type finds that she made into really either beautiful things for fairly significant price, or she had other types of projects that she goes to stores and finds the cheap ones or finds the good bargain buy. Not necessarily the cheap one, but the one that's going to last you a really long time. I have followed her for a really long time, and I've just gotten a lot of good organizational tips from her and just like ways to make things, because I am not that person. I am not creative in that way at all. I have all the ideas in my head, but I can't execute them. So having someone to guide me and show me a video of how they do it has been super helpful to me. So if you're interested in like Do It on a Dime hacks for your home, she has all different types of videos. She even talks about in one of her latest ones of going to Habitat for Humanity for like if you're doing house projects and stuff, as they have stores called, I believe, Restore. And if you look them up in your area, you could find like local types of like household items. Like people were buying vanities and doors, and she bought all of her like storage closets, like IKEA racks. So all those like types of projects you could find at like a rehome type store, which was really fun for me to learn because I had not heard of the store, and I looked it up and I had one in like 10 minutes from me. So just things to think about, but I love watching her YouTube channel. She's just so inspirational. Some things I feel can be a little tacky or look cheap, or you could tell from the Dollar Tree or whatnot, but there's a lot that's really good in there, and there are a ton of channels like hers. So if you just type in her channel and watch like one video, it'll populate the algorithm and you'll start seeing a bunch of other videos like hers. And I love that stuff. Like I live for that stuff. Not even necessarily for me to implement in my life, but I like watching other people implement it in theirs. So I told you guys, this is getting personal. Like we are in each other's space, and it's like I'm so excited because I'm sharing something other than like homeschool content with you. I do have a homeschooler that I do follow a lot, but this is giving you like a little peek into my life as a homeschool mama and YouTuber. So let's move along. My next one is she's a YouTuber. She's a mom. She's kind of like, I would picture kind of like a homesteader, but like not fully. But I love her content. It's Angela Baniff. She's had another channel as well, and I'm not quite sure I remember the name of it. But I follow both her channels and on Instagram, and I love her content. She has amazing homeschool advice. She has been homeschooling for a really long time. She has a ton of kids, and I just love watching her content. Like she has not only tips and tricks and advice, and like she does these like unique like haul videos where she talks about like her passion and like what she buys, and like she is like one of those that buys those like taxidermy. Oh my god, I just love watching it. It's not anything like I would buy, but I love like her unique quirkiness. Like she's just the vibe. It's her vibe, like her energy, and she just has so much good stuff. So if you really need some quirky energy vibes, like go check out her channel for sure. She's one of my favorites. Next up is when I really get on my unschooling train. I watch Norp and South, and I absolutely love their channel. I don't always watch like every single video that populates, but I love their like realness to their traveling, to their home. They were doing tons of house projects and filming that, and they weren't afraid to like show you like the realness in some situations, as no one can just have this picturesque house all the time. And like, they just have this real authentic personality, and I absolutely love their channel. They have several kids and they've homeschooled them all, and it's just been so cool to see them and how they've thrived as like a family. So it just gives me good vibes. I'm not saying I'm going to become a home unschooler, because I just can't. We are way too traditional to unschool, even though I really wish I could be like that. But anyway, Norp and South, I will have their channel linked down below. So lastly, another category here that I can list a ton of people in, but my favorite is Taylor Wynn. Actually, some fun fact, when I first started YouTube, I had considered doing a makeup channel. And I say that because I know I literally have not one touch of makeup on my face right now. So you're like, what? You makeup? Because when I started this 4 or 5 years ago, I was obsessed with makeup. I loved it. I had every single thing you could possibly think of. Brand, makeup palette, eyeshadow palette, you name it. I thought I was literally like following all these influencers, and they were influencing me. Let me tell you guys, like I had a stash of makeup, and there's no way I would ever go through that in enough time before it expired. So I also was during a time where things were not going great with like my husband and his journey, and I was buying things to make me feel better. And I came to a point where I was like, what am I doing? Like, this is going to become a problem. And so I stopped, and I got rid of, like, practically donated like all of my makeup besides this tiny little stash that I have left. And I've kind of kept it that way. And then kind of COVID hit and masks, and we kind of like stopped wearing makeup because no one wanted to just like mess it up, so to say. And so I kind of got out of wearing makeup every day, even though that used to be like my staple. I had to wear it every day. I don't leave the house without it. But I just have a genuine passion for makeup. I'm really good when I do my makeup. I know how to create really good eye looks, and I have done a couple people's makeups. I've done my daughter's makeup multiple times when she lets me, and I just love it. I love it, but I don't ever want to make a career out of it, which a lot of people have thought that. Anyway, I'm going on a huge tangent, but I decided ultimately that that was not for me. I didn't want to be in the makeup community. So I chose and opted for homeschooling because that was more important to me at the time. But I still follow some beauty channels, and my favorite is Taylor Wynn. She used to be hardcore makeup beauty, but she's kind of like evolved into just like vlogs and showing the things that she's buying for her apartment, and where she travels. She's been like a nomad for the past, I don't know, 3 years or something like that, and she just settled down in Oregon. And I just love her vibe, her like, she comes off as such a like authentic person, and she like doesn't sugarcoat, like she's to the point and just like says how she feels, and I love it. I love that. I love her channel. She is amazing. So other ones that I have watched from the past, which if you're in the beauty YouTubers, I used to watch all of them: Manny, Laura, Jeffrey. I no longer watch them anymore just because I don't know. But I have watched occasionally Tati because she still keeps it real with her beauty stuff. She's just this wonderful, beautiful woman. And when I want a good like makeup tutorial, like I will go and watch Tati to get some inspiration or anything like that. Or I occasionally will still watch Laura Lee, because she's kind of evolved as well, and her channel isn't just beauty anymore either. But they're kind of like farther down on my list. I do watch Kelly Strack. She's having a baby, and it's so fun watching because it was just like they have this like incredible bond, her and her husband, to watch. So it's fun to see the males in these videos come out. Let's see, who else from that day do I still watch? I used to watch Raw Beauty Christy, but I don't, like I said, I don't like vibe towards the makeup community anymore. But they're like, if they're there, like I'm still subscribed, so if they're there, sometimes I check them out, but otherwise not really. So anyways, Taylor Wynn is amazing. Go check out her channel because she's my fave. But that is it. That is a peek into me in my life and a little background with it. And I hope you go check out Ashley's channel at Gathered and Grounded, and I will have that playlist down below of all the other mamas participating in this collab. So that is it, my friends. If you like this video, please leave me a like and come in the comment section. Girls, let's be real. Like, I love to talk, and I love to talk to people. So please leave me a comment. Let me know who your favorite channels are. Let me know what you like from my channel, what your favorite content is of mine. Check it out in the comments, and subscribe because we all know you love me. So just kidding, just kidding, just kidding. I'll see you in my next video.